If you are a longtime Pixel user, more than likely you probably go back to the Nexus days whenever Google was releasing the Nexus phones, and then more than likely you probably had the first Pixel. But say you're like an everyday user and you're thinking about, should you buy a Pixel 10 Pro XL? Or maybe you're an everyday user watching this phone right now and you've been using your Pixel 10 Pro XL for a while and you're digging it. I'm going to say one of the main reasons you like this phone is the camera. It is the most simple camera, especially when you just take photos, right? I'm not talking about recording videos. So you have a family or your dog or cat, whatever it is you're doing. It's the most simple phone to point and shoot and actually get a great photo. Portraits on here are amazing as well. Simple, right? And then you have what's called the group photos, the Add Me feature, and it lets the photographer merge themselves into group shots, meaning no one gets left out of family memories. Whether that's an accurate photo or not, that's beside the point. And not to mention, this moonstone color right here is really, really cool. And another thing that I was going to mention is the screen calling. The screen, whenever people call you, the call screen, oh my God. Like say you're using a Samsung, say you're using an iPhone, there's just no comparison, right? The call screen on the Pixel 10 Pro XL is next to none. It is just great and it is wonderful. Another thing that a lot of people take for granted, especially if you only use a Pixel 10 Pro XL, you don't have a Samsung, you don't have an iPhone, you don't even know what those things do. This has been your only phone right here. You have no idea how great the voice to text accuracy is because it's using Google's Assistant, right? Straight out of the box. There's no messing around. That's what this phone is using right here. And it just makes it so accurate. It is wonderful, all right? Another thing that's really, really awesome that you will love or that you do love about your Pixel 10 Pro XL, you always feel like you are on the forefront, like you are on the cutting edge of all of the updates, right? You're always getting the latest and greatest the Android features straight to your Pixel 10 Pro XL. Your Google apps, run perfectly on your Pixel 10 Pro XL. And it's just wonderful like that. Not to mention you have a 5,200 milliamp battery and it gets great battery life. And you don't even have to do all of those optimization tricks that people like me tell you to do. But if you're a battery miser, then you might want to do some of those little battery tricks here and there. Another thing people really like about the Pixel 10 Pro XL is the bloatware. There's no bloatware. All right, you cannot call the Google apps bloatware on a Google phone, okay? Yes, they pre-install Google apps, but that's the whole point. If you're heavily vested in the Google ecosystem, this is the phone for you right here. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments why you love your Pixel 10 Pro XL. All right, everybody. Bye.